Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have tool for anyone who loves sewing, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. Introducing the Singer 00056 Needle Threaders, often hailed as the best easy threader for needles on the market. These handy little devices come in a set of 3, and they're designed to make threading needles a breeze. For those of you who've struggled with the delicate task of threading, you know how frustrating it can be, especially when working with smaller needles or fine threads. But with the Singer Needle Threaders, you can say goodbye to those pesky struggles. Let's take a closer look at what makes these threaders so special. First off, they're made from durable plastic, which not only makes them lightweight but also easy to hold. This is a game changer when you're trying to thread a needle without straining your eyes. The ergonomic design ensures that you have a good grip, allowing for precision and ease. Now, these threaders aren't just for regular sewing thread. You can also use them with embroidery floss and even Persian yarn. This versatility is fantastic for crafters who dabble in multiple projects. Whether you're sewing clothes, crafting, or doing embroidery, these threaders will become your best friends. Here's how simple it is. Simply place the thread in the threader, align it with the needle, and pull. Voila! In seconds, you've threaded your needle. It's efficient, it's quick, and most importantly, it minimizes eye strain, which is often a concern for those who sew for extended periods. One of the standout features of the Singer Needle Threaders is that they cater to both hand and machine sewing. If you're a machine sewer, you know that threading can often be a cumbersome task, but these threaders simplify that process tremendously. Imagine how much faster your sewing projects could become. And the best part? You can get all of this for a very reasonable price of just $6.45. Considering the time and frustration you'll save, it's a small investment for a big return. Plus, they're lightweight and portable, so you can easily keep them in your sewing kit or take them with you to a sewing class or craft fair. In conclusion, the Singer 00056 Needle Threaders are an invaluable tool for anyone looking to streamline their sewing experience. With their ease of use, versatility, and affordable price, it's no wonder they're becoming a staple in sewing kits everywhere. If you're ready to upgrade your sewing game, check out the link in the description below to grab your own set. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more product reviews. Happy sewing, everyone. Until next time.